The Solano Water Institute for Teachers is a 3-day training where we bring local teachers out to many sites around the county. They're getting an opportunity to have a very dynamic, holistic water training experience. On day one, we bring teachers out to Rush Ranch Open Space, and they are hearing from experts. We're going on a hike around the marsh. They're also doing some activities with our Project Wet coordinator. And on day two, we go over to Lake Berryessa. And not only do we have a boat tour, but we're hearing from also more experts about one of our beloved water sources in the county. And then we end the day at Donnell Nature Center in Fairfield.
And it's basically to help K-12 educators better understand their local water resources and how those tie to the state water project.
What makes this event so unique is our partnerships, whether it's a state agency, a federal agency, and even local county agency folks coming out here, sharing their wealth of knowledge and really inspiring our teachers to take that information, translate it in a way that makes sense to students and in their classrooms, and that's where the real magic happens.
What's beautiful about this professional development is the expertise of the guest speakers, the wonderful staff, and just being out at the beautiful sites. I wanted to figure out what resources are in the general area of Vallejo High, and I wanted to be able to potentially take my kids on field trips. But since I've been here, I've learned that there's a lot of potential job opportunities for them to pursue. So I want them to know about the local jobs.
One thing I can't wait to take back to my students is a sense of why it's so important to learn about water in our area and what we can do to make sure that our future generations have enough water and have quality water. And to share with my students how we can balance all of that and that this is real life science and its importance to our world.
Not only is it good education for the teachers to help them better understand the water resources in Solano County, it's giving them tools to take it back to help their students understand as well.
I really enjoyed the boat ride. To be guided tour of Berryessa was really nice. We got to see a couple of bald eagles, a bald eagle's nest. That was really exciting. And then just working through the activities, I really appreciated the way Brian ran the program, because actually working through those activities really, really helped me understand how they're going to work with my students, because I've gone through a practice run with a professional.
It's hard to pick just one thing, but I enjoyed doing the lessons and having a master teacher go through these lessons with us, and it was nice to get to talk with other teachers and discuss with them.
One of my favorite things is that this is not just for science teachers. This is for all teachers. Water is life, and water is connected to so many things we do, especially in our classrooms, whether it's art, it's history, it's English. You have something to learn here at our Solano Water Institute.
The Solano Water Institute for Teachers is important because it's bringing what Solano County has to offer students and teachers and families to life. It's really connecting local residents and educators to what is here. Bringing this learning, deepening the understanding for educators and students and families and residents really gives us the information we need to be good stewards.